Last words, so then she left. Slammed doors and broken glasses. I went back to the minute when I said, hey, 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 I hate you. Fighting over stupid things. Don't even mind whose fault it is. No, I sit and you.